Key affiliate marketing advice everyone should read. Many people enter into affiliate marketing with a great deal of enthusiasm, but lose steam when they don't instantly get results. Like many things, proper affiliate marketing takes time and hard work. In this video, you'll learn where you should be putting your effort in, and how you can get the results you've been hoping for. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. Understand the true concepts behind affiliate marketing. Spam tactics and pressure to buy will not help you to increase your sales. Remember that only people who actually buy a product will generate revenue for you. Just because someone clicks on a link does not mean you get paid. Understanding the concept can make all the difference between success and failure. If you are considering hiring an internet marketing company to help you promote your affiliate marketing product, be sure to read the fine print carefully. Many hook you into their service with a low introductory price. After you have given them your credit card or banking information, you may find high charges on your account after your introductory period is over. To promote your affiliate marketing products most effectively, you can write a free book or paper on the topic and give it away on your website. You can also convert it into Kindle format and offer it for little to no money on the Amazon site. This will create more interest in your product. A great affiliate marketing tip is to offer visitors something special if they purchase an affiliate product through your link. This is a great way to ensure that people are buying through your link and not somewhere else. You can offer them something that might tie in with the product in some way. Follow up a sales shipment with an add-on product catalog to keep orders coming. This makes the customer much more likely to become a repeat customer. Make the catalog related to their purchase and be sure to put their name on the label, not customer or resident. This also keeps an advertisement for your business active in their home or office. Don't give up on affiliate marketing before you really get started. While you may not be impressed by your affiliate marketing profits right now, that may change once you start applying this video's advice. If you stick with affiliate marketing and do the right things, you can achieve some great things. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.